Happy Friday and welcome back to Daytime Live because you know everybody's supposed to miss you. It's been 2 weeks. We had World Champs going on. You know we're going to talk about that in Buzz. But before all of that, remember you can watch us on onespotmedia.com. You can catch snippets of the program on televisionjamaica.com. For all my peeps out there running computer, YouTube is the place to go to catch Chat and Buzz.
Yes, that's right.
You can catch Chat and Buzz over there. And remember hashtag TVJDTL. Join in on the conversation. Follow us on Instagram and Twitter at TVJ_Daytime Live. Nisha Yen, what's going on with Buzz now? Because everybody talking about World
What's
Champs.
going on with Buzz? I'm buzzing about your jacket. It's very nice. Let's bring Michael Jackson into the house. Yes. All right.
As usual, mannequin pieces, you know, they deliver well. You know, as always.
Yes.
But, I mean...
Jamaica's performance in the World Champs.
Yes.
Well, first of all, I want to start off by saying, we love you, Usain Bolt. Right? We love you. Like, whatever happened,
Still
I'm a fan.
#1 champion.
I'm a fan. You're legendary, you're awesome. And,
Still the
you know,
fastest man in the world.
Hello, like, you know what I'm saying? So we're behind you. My question about World Champs really is, what happened? What happened?
I think that's the question on a lot of people's mind because the thing is, our athletes perform so well all the time that we've been broken bad. So it's like we're expecting a high performance all the time. We're expecting gold in the 100,
because
200,
in 2015 we won 15 medals, and in 2017 we won #4. So the question is why? Why?
I just feel it's the most I can take from this personally is the fact that we have to continue supporting our athletes and realizing that there are other avenues through which we need to lend our support as well. The 110 hurdle, 110 meter hurdles, Omar McLeod, the only gold medal. You know, that's one of the events that we didn't really dominate over a period of time, and now we're heading there. I mean, that's a positive I can take from it.
But you know, that is true. I'm trying
to be a bit practical, not necessarily diplomatic, but a bit practical and a bit. I mean, I'm disappointed, of course.
Right.
But I think we can't use the opportunity to say, all right, then I'm disappointed, and we can't. You know, they didn't perform well, or what happened out there. First of all, the place cold.
Pause, Joel.
I don't know if that was a bad influence.
Don't let me and you fight on here. Don't let me fight with my on-screen husband. Come on now. Because the persons that we sent to the World Championships are experienced athletes. It's not the first time that they've run in the cold. So that cannot be. We cannot, as intelligent people, say that, oh, it was a bit cold for them. Because it's not their first rodeo. Let's be clear.
That is true.
So that cannot be a
But
factor.
there was some bugs thing going around, though.
No, that could be. If you're sick, you're sick. What do? You know, I'll take that. But, for example, we have Elaine Thompson, right? Now, in the semifinals, she ran a time
that was faster than the final
would have won her gold in the finals.
Yeah.
So again, #what happened? What happened?
I think the only people that know one are the athletes and the team that was there, but I just think we can't dwell on it. We just have to raking back the disappointment and see how best we can continue to support our athletes. But you know, the highlight of World Champs really was a Jamaican as well, Usain Bolt. I mean, that was the highlight, and that was his final bolt. Now, a lot of persons again were expecting the gold medal, but I think it's a good twist because you were expecting this, but it's a good twist that he came third because probably he'll have a better story. I don't know if you get where I'm going. You know, everybody have them disappointments. Everybody have to face them disappointments. It just so happens that the most disappointing time came at his final time. Kind of a big victory for, what's his name?
Gatlin.
Yes. I was about to say Justin Gatlin, but let me not say that.
Yeah.
Justin Gatlin, and I mean, there's a story there as well. He fought kind of drugs, but him getting final thing.
But can I bring some practicality to this whole conversation, just a little bit? So Usain Bolt has decided that he's getting older and he's like, yo, it's a little bit harder. I'm slowing down, so I'm gonna stop.
Yeah.
The last time that America won 1 and 200 meters gold was in 2005 with Gatlin.
Yeah.
So, you know, biology would dictate that as you get older, you get slower. You understand what I'm saying? You know?
That's true.
However, we have Gatlin who is getting faster as he gets older. However, everybody else on the American team from 2005, they've stopped or so slow now, they're not on the team, but Gatlin still keeps
pushing. Well, you gotta push it.
I'm just saying, what does that mean?
Well, I don't know. Anyway,
don't know.
enough of him. Let's talk about Warren Weir now because he decided to call it quits at the World Championship. Now, a lot of people again came onto Twitter and they were saying, what is he retiring from? Because my thing is,
no shade.
And there is no shade or anything. My thing is, Weir has a passion for photography. And if that's where his heart is, then that's where it is. And he takes some really nice photo. If you go up on him Instagram, he takes some really nice photo. But I think people are kind of rude. No, people were rude to come and say.
Awful.
No, people were rude to come and say, what is he retiring from? He was in the you know, they did well the time when they get the 1, 2, 3. And that is something to be thankful. Why are you laughing? I'm not shading anybody. That's something that we should be thankful of. And even though it happened at a bad time because he didn't qualify for the race, I believe, we should still respect the fact that he represented Jamaica so well while he was doing it.
Yes.
It was very rude of them to come on and say.
I think it was unfair.
And say, what is he retiring from?
Yeah, he did well. He did well. We're pleased. And yeah, like we said, Omar with his goal.
Yes.
We are proud of you. Good job.
Proud
110
of you,
meter hurdles. That's awesome.
Yeah, man. And he has a bright future ahead of him.
He does.
Olympian to world champion. You know,
but you know what? Jamaica don't have anything to worry about. You know what I'm saying? We have some young people coming up now who are amazing as well as, you know.
Yeah.
So we're good. We don't really have.
That's what I'm saying. There comes a time when you might have to. What we have to do now is just draw back and the camp itself needs to draw back and realize what went wrong because that's been your mantra since the start. And
what happened? And we haven't touched on the fact the fighting. When
I never really want to touch on that because that was a national disgrace.
It was an embarrassment for us all.
Yes.
Let's be clear. Like,
yes,
why? I'm not wearing the outfit because it's too big for me, so I'm not running. I don't want to get into that because we don't want to get into that. However, not a good look.
Yeah,
not a good
national
look.
disgrace. But well done, guys. We're proud of you. We're kind of disappointed, but as we said before, it's important that all of us continue to rally behind our athletes. It's not an easy task for them. We go gym for 20 minutes and we're done. And they've been training all their lives, and I think it's important that we do that. It's a disappointing time, but I'm sure that we'll bounce back. Yeah.
Bounce back?
Bounce back.
That's true, it's true.
But in all of this, TVJ, we're celebrating 20 years.
20 years.
And you need to stay tuned in to see what this celebration will be about. Daytime Lab will be turning it up for the 20 years. As always. Nothing to worry about. And remember that in order to, people have to continue watching because it's good. I'm just saying. I just had to plug that. It's been 2 weeks. My brain is...
Joe, you okay? You okay today? Can we get some coffee?
I am good. But we have a lot to talk about. When we get back, we'll be chatting it up about, what we're talking about, Nisha, we'll be talking about body shaming in the entertainment industry. Something you don't want to miss. Daytime Live will be right at the back.
Back with Joel, losing his mind. Join us after the break.